Guys, we'll look into on how to enter the table landing center meeting minutes. So once you create the minutes, this will be your first screen. So click on the venue wherever your AGM is happening. If it is a social meet, yes. Meeting hosted by whoever it is or your table number. If it is a joint meet, click on yes and enter the joint meet details. If you're doing it the circle or any other table, enter your AGM number. It will be 53rd AGM or your 37th AGM. Just enter your number. Area observer report is only images of the area observer report. So make sure you attach that. So once after this, save and proceed. Meeting call to order. Enter name, subjects, whoever edit. Enter sergeant at arms. Save and proceed. Mark the attendance here. Visiting tablers details here. Click on save and proceed. Here your last AGM meeting number, continuous meeting number will be appearing here. Select whoever proposed it and seconded it. If there are any corrections, you can enter the corrections and select whoever proposed and seconded the corrections. Click on save and proceed. If there is anything to be entered, please do enter or you can skip in the AGM. Any greetings if you want to add. Communications received, sent, motions if there are any. The award details, the best flow tabler, the best flow couple, whoever it is, you're giving the awardees. You can enter it here and you can enter the images here. Once you're done, again click save and proceed. Your outgoing chairman address can be entered, and after which you can select his photo. Same way, your incoming chairman address. Select your incoming chairman name. You can attach his photo also. Select the vice chairman name. Basically, the headboard, his photo, secretary details, again his photo, treasurer details, his photo, on the table, a square leg, and incoming conveners based on the facet you can have 50 based on the facets you can enter his name. You can enter the chief guest name here and his address. Again, guest of honor if you have any. You can enter his address. Budget, whoever is proposing the budget tabler, seconded by. You have any budget, already as a screenshot, I mean, as a image, you can present it here, or you can present the budget in here, saying that budget has been passed for rupees 40,000, 40,000, and passed by the flow. After you can save and enter. Accounts presented by whoever presented the accounts, the treasurer, proposed, the tabler who proposed, the tabler who seconded it. Again, auditor proposed by will be the treasurer, or seconded by. Resolution for the bank accounts, it is passed by tabler so and so. Mr. CA and Associates has been your audit name can be given here. Audited accounts images can be given here. Once that is done, click save and proceed. Click on add one more report for the retirement details. Retirement of Tabler ABC. You can give fancy wordings about him, his achievements in the past years. Click here to add an image of him again. If you have more number of retirements in that particular year, you can click on add more report. 7%. Here, if you have ordered for any induction kits, your induction the kits will be appearing here. The list of tablers who are to be inducted. If not, save and proceed. Click on one more report for adding any other matter. Enter all any other matter details here. Save and proceed. Resignations, if you have any, click on resignation. Add the person who has resigned. Else save and report. Your sergeant finds and sunshines details. Vote of thanks by so and so tabler. Next meeting date, if you have already announced, you can put it here, and you can fix up the venue. Add good quality images of all the AGM proceedings, and then click save. Once you click save, you can click preview and see the entire minutes you had entered. So all the details would be entered here. Once you check that everything has been entered, after proper details has been entered, please click on validate and submit. Thank you guys.